Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get a PS4 and 5 booter app for your device so you can actually boot people offline. So as you can see, I got it right here and I've got all the people currently online. So I just press on them and I can read all about them, and then I can press boot offline. So I'm going to start it, and as you can see, it's booting them offline right now. So this is super weird, so let's see if it works. And as you can see guys, it says establishing tunnel. Oh my gosh, look, it's actually working. So let's just wait for this to load and you guys are gonna see. All right, cleaning, erase traces. All right, and yeah, it worked. I booted them offline. So I'm gonna show you guys how to download this app. It's for PS4 and PS5, and I don't know if it works on Xbox, but to download it, we're just gonna go onto this website, guys, which is called tweakmod.com. So let me just type it in. So once you're on the site, guys, just type in booter, and as you can see, it says right here, press install, and it's going to start downloading. So before it downloads, there is going to be a verification. So this is the last step. It's really easy. You just have to download 2 apps and follow instructions 100% for free from official app store. And what this will do is download it onto your device. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here. As you can see, it shouldn't take that long, honestly. It's usually pretty fast. So yeah, this is super weird, but it actually does work. So I'm just going to give it a second to load up. So as you can see, guys, it's loading right now. So basically it's going to say missing files. So we just need to download some of these apps. So like Travel Town says reach level 9. It's a game, so I could do that one. So just press continue and it will take me to the app store. And I just have to download it and reach level 9. Or I could do like, Underdog Fantasy, down and run for 30 seconds, TikTok, there's tons of them. So just make sure you download 2 of the apps, follow instructions, and then you'll have the booter on your device. You can actually boot people offline, which is super cool. So I can send him a message saying, I booted you. And then when he gets back on, he's going to see. That's so funny, bro. So yeah, this is super cool, so be sure to try it out.